You'll never leave the lid up again. $10,000 toilet makes a splash at CES. A $10,000 smart toilet with built-in Amazon Alexa, mood lighting, and automatic seat lifting and lowering has been making a splash at the Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas. The Numi 2.0 smart toilet from US manufacturer Kohler can also play music, news, and weather reports, and features a bidet, a seat warmer, personalized dryer functions, and a self-cleaning feature that uses UV light to kill bacteria and germs.
You'll never leave the lid up again. It's a completely touchless experience that closes and flushes automatically as you leave the bathroom.
All of the Numi 2.0's functions can be easily controlled through the built-in Amazon Alexa or a wall-mounted remote control. At CES, the high-tech toilet made an impact on tech enthusiasts.
I mean, some people can go into the toilet and sit there for a while to take a mental break. And I see the value for that for those people, one of which is my husband. And but for me, I'm in and out.
Yeah, it is definitely interesting, but I think purpose of the bidet and toilet is, you need to go to the bathroom. You gotta do your works and finish the work and come out. So I think, why do you want all of that features, right?
Others thought the price of $10,000 was too expensive.
The price is too high. I love the features, but it's too expensive. The price come down, I would buy it. Especially the self-cleaning.
Lid. Lid. Make a splash. Make a splash. Bacteria. Bacteria. Enthusiasts. Enthusiasts. Mental. Mental.